Hey, welcome back. So excited to kind of show you around the shop. I know we had you go and look and see to log in and to look around, but I want to hit a few points real quick. So, number one thing that I love with Paparazzi is you get a free replicated site. So, right here, you go to paparazziaccessories.com, you put slash and then your consultant number, and it will direct people straight to your personalized website. They can shop from you. Paparazzi, the company, will ship it directly to them, which is really great. And I love that about it. And then you get credit for it. So since you're waiting to get your kit, I want you to start making money. So if you look at your website right now, if it says log out, that means you're already logged in. If it says log in, then log in. Remember, username is your consultant number. Password is the back office password that you created. So we're going to go to profile. Right here, you can click shop or you can click shop here. It shows your most recent orders. You can click on complete order history. Again, I want you to get familiar with this. Click on different tabs and see where they go. If you don't get it all at once, it will take some time to get re-familiarized with this. So we're just going to go to shop. I want you to pick out 5 pieces that you can put together as a set that you can show your customers right now for them to go and order from you and start making money, and you post it to your social media sites. So what does that look like? Right now, you can click on grid or list. List writes them out. I like grid because I can look at them and I can see pieces quick. Again, if you click in the middle of any picture that it's like, oh, is this a long or a short necklace? You click in the middle, you can scroll over and you can see, okay, that's a long necklace, and you can get an idea of what it looks like. Or you can click on the name and it gives the description. So I am going to just click on gold, and you can see here, I want to see real quick what pieces are gold, and I can put a set together. But not all the time pieces go in here. So look, if I click on necklaces, do you see how more pieces just popped up? So don't discredit of just here, I'm going to click on a color and not click on the different categories, because sometimes there's other pieces that are tagged into different categories that might not just pull up on gold. The other thing is there is your heart right here. This is your things that you love, your kind of wish list, but not quite wish list. So I went through and I hearted a few things that I feel like will be a good look and go together. So you can just click the heart, you can take it out, and I'm just going to go straight to that section. Right here, once you click on a piece, you will see, okay, here's the piece. You can click on it. You can make it bigger. You can scroll over. The other thing is each piece has a name to it. It has a description. My favorite part is right here. This is that link that I will show you later on that you want to copy and put on each piece so you can direct people directly to these pieces that they can shop. So you click right here, download all, and you can press back to go back to your favorites or go back to any of the pieces. You can click right on the heart, and then you click on the next piece. Okay, I like this, download all. Okay, next you're going to go to Facebook. I already pre-put in here some words. You can take these same words, you can change it, do whatever works the best for you. So I just put in here just something fun. Hey, I'm so excited. I'm starting this fun new business selling cute and trendy jewelry. The best part is everything is $5. Like, you guys, you want your customers to know that it's all $5. Like, how much is this cute necklace? So it's $5. And then you want to let them know how to purchase it. So each picture has a direct link. Hurry fast, because once a piece sells out, it's gone. Let your customers know that 95 to 98% of the time, once a piece sells out, so if they're on your site and they are trying to buy it, or when you go into the shop, because new pieces are released every single day, Monday through Friday, unless it's a holiday, if something sells out, sometimes it might sell out in a couple seconds, sometimes it's a couple minutes, sometimes it might be a week or two, but once it sells out, most of the time, those pieces don't come back. So it's great because you have a different inventory than everyone else. But you're going to go in, you find your pictures, And I'm going to click on, here's this necklace just because I like to show, okay, this is what it's going to look like short so people can see it's going to be short. Then I would like to do this bracelet because they can see it's a cuff. Or if you don't want to do that, if you want to show what it looks like on the hand, I like to see the different looks to give my customers the best idea of what it's going to look like. And then this cute earring, you can't really tell, I feel like, in this white picture that it's going to pop through and show your cute earlobe down there. And then here's another short necklace. Here's some cute hoops. Actually, I'm not going to do that. I want the hoops with it in the gal's ears. And then let's throw in a ring. Okay. Now we're going to add in all those pictures. Again, you can press edit all. You can move the photos around. But just for sake of time, I'm just going to press post. Okay. Then remember that link that I talked about right here on, we're going to go back so you know exactly which piece I'm talking about. Okay. This link right here, you are going to Control C, copy, or Apple C, I believe on Apple. Then you're going to click on the piece, press edit. And then if you want to let me put this right here. Right here. I put this in here. So when your customers click on that link, it's going to bring it straight to your site. If you upload the photo, like we talked about here, you'll see your photo. They can see your story. They've got your information, but then they have the description, the name, and they can see the picture up close. There's other pictures that they can see that they might like. This is what your customers are going to see, which is awesome. But we are just going to, I'm just going to paste in that link. Again, you can put in the name in the description, done editing. So all your customers do is click on that and it's going to go straight there. Press over. Oh, look, here's this awesome piece. Do the same thing, edit, and you can have people go directly to your customize your website for them to start shopping right now. Hope that makes sense. You're awesome. Remember to love your life.